In today's video, I'm going to teach you all about landing pages, what they are, how they work, and why they're crucial for online marketing. A landing page is a single, focused web page created with the primary goal of converting visitors into leads or customers. Essentially, it's the place where people land after clicking on an ad, link, or search result, and it's designed to guide them toward one clear action, like signing up for a newsletter, purchasing a product, or booking a service. To break it down even further, it's important to understand that a landing page is not a full website. It's a one-goal page. Unlike a comprehensive website that may have numerous sections and links, a landing page strips away distractions, such as menus or additional links, so it can focus users' attention on accomplishing just one task. For example, a prompt to sign up or a button to buy now is typically what's emphasized. But how exactly does a landing page work? Let's walk through the steps together. First, you need to attract visitors. People will arrive at your landing page from a variety of sources such as ads, social media platforms, Google searches, or email campaigns. Consistency is key here. The ad headline should generally match the landing page headline to maintain a cohesive and reassuring flow for the visitor. Once your visitors have landed, the next step is to deliver a clear message. The page should immediately communicate what the offer is and why it's significant. Using visuals, engaging yet concise text, and highlighting the benefits quickly can help build trust and intrigue. This approach ensures that potential customers understand the value proposition right away, encouraging them to take the desired action. To illustrate the functionality of a landing page, let's look at an example from Lovable.dev. Lovable's main landing page is a prime example of a single, focused page designed to get visitors to start creating something using Lovable's tools. The page features a hero section with a headline like "Build Something Lovable" and includes a single call to action, such as a chat input box, to minimize distractions. The strategy here is straightforward. Encourage users to ask Lovable to create and then guide them to start building right away. So that's a glimpse into what makes a landing page effective. It's all about creating a seamless, engaging experience designed to lead your customer toward a specific outcome. In this case, interacting with the AI at Lovable and getting started on a project. Remember, the strength of a landing page lies in its simplicity and clarity, ensuring there's nothing to divert attention from your main goal. By implementing these elements, you can significantly enhance your online marketing efforts and achieve better conversion rates. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this explanation helpful.